Banana. Bananas are elongated, curved fruits that grow in clusters on large tropical plants known as banana trees. They have a yellow skin with brown speckles that indicate ripeness, and a sweet, creamy flesh inside. The flesh of a banana is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and dietary fiber. Bananas are widely available in supermarkets and are a staple food for people around the world. They are often consumed raw as a snack or used in cooking and baking, and are known for their numerous health benefits. Whether enjoyed on their own or added to smoothies, baking, or savory dishes, bananas are a nutritious and delicious fruit that are enjoyed by people of all ages. Benefits of banana. 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Bananas are a good source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and fiber. 2. Energy booster. Bananas contain natural sugars like fructose and glucose, which provide instant energy. 3. Heart healthy. The high potassium content in bananas can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Digestive health. The fiber in bananas can help improve digestion and prevent constipation. 5. Weight management. Bananas are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent food choice for weight management. 6. Mood enhancer. Bananas contain tryptophan, which is converted into serotonin in the brain, helping to improve mood and reduce stress levels. 7. Good for bones. The high levels of vitamin D and calcium in bananas can help maintain strong bones. 8. Boosts immunity. Bananas contain vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system and protect against illness and disease.